Elmo? Elmo? Big Bird. Big Bird? Elmo and Big Bird. You threw them on the ground. Now what? Okay, I guess you're done. Oh, you're gonna make yourself dizzy.
Yeah, it's like playtime. It's like playtime. Again, late at night, and the kid's going crazy.
Don't fall. Elmo.
Crazy
Big
beans.
Bird. Where are you going?
She's going somewhere at 12:38 at night. Where is she going?
Stop making yourself dizzy. You're gonna fall over.
Yeah, now that she found out how to make herself dizzy, she keeps trying to do it now. She thinks it's fun. Then she gets all dizzy and falls over. She knows that stuff starts spinning.
If you fall over, though, you're gonna go to bed. It's bedtime if you fall over. Yeah. Big Bird.
Big Bird.
Big Bird. Okay.
Yep, and that's our kid late at night.
If you fall over,
Crazy beans. Crazy beans. It's like, oh no, I'm not going to bed.
Oh no.